నిన్న మొత్తం మొబైల్ చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను మేడం, నైట్ అంతా మొబైల్ చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను.
Why are you laughing, ma? Madam getting blood from IC.
చాలా పెయిన్ వస్తుంది మేడం, చాలా పెయిన్ వస్తుంది. నైట్ అంతా మొబైల్ చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను, ఎస్టర్డే నైట్ అంతా మొబైల్ చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను. చాలా పెయిన్ వస్తుంది మేడం.
Oh my
Don't laugh, Nana.
We'll go to hospital, madam.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Madam, once tell to PT sir. We'll go to doctor.
Okay, ma'am.
Once call PT sir.
ఓకే మేడం.
We'll go to PT. Are you okay now, madam? Feeling very bad
వెరీ
pain.
బ్యాడ్ మేడం, పెయిన్ వస్తుంది. ఐస్ అంతా పెయిన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది మేడం, వెరీ బ్యాడ్.
Oh, swelling also came. See here. How much swelling it having? See. See, madam ki ఎంత రెడ్ గా అయిపోయింది. ఎందుకు అయిపోయింది ఇలా వచ్చారండి మేడం? Please come. See. Once look your teacher's eye. See here. How much red it became? Why it became red? ఎందుకు ఇలా అయింది? Night మొత్తం phone చూసారు. Daily 2 days holidays we got, no? At that time, madam used mobile phone. Mobile phone, madam used. If you use mobile phone, you will also become like that. Will you use mobile phone? No. Will you use mobile phone? No. Your eyes will become like this if you use mobile phone. Anybody wants to watch mobile phone? No. Anybody wants to watch mobile phone? No. See, open and see mobile phone. No. Why?
You will watch the
Open
mobile
and watch
phone.
mobile phone. At your home, will you open your mobile?
No.
No, see the madam.
If you open your mobile phone, see how teacher is suffering. Once see your teacher.
Very pain ma'am, very
Eye became very red. Some swelling also came, right? Will you use mobile phone? You want to watch mobile phone? Don't want to watch? Will you ask your parents to give mobile phone? Will you ask your parents to give mobile phone? Will you watch mobile phone? Oh my God! We'll take the teacher to hospital. We'll be back, madam. Sneha, madam, please take care of your student. We'll be back. Okay? We'll go to doctor now. Madam, please. We have to go hospital immediately, huh?
Okay.
Take care of yourself. Sneha, madam, please take care of your class.
Okay ma'am. What happened to your teacher, ma?
What happened, Nana? What happened to the teacher? So what we should do? Do not watch the? Do not watch the? Mobile. Do not use the? Mobile. So mobile చూడొద్దు. ఓకేనా? చూస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? టీచర్ కి she get infected eyes. What she infected? Infected eyes.
ఒకసారి ఇవ్వండి, ఇవ్వండి ఫోన్.
Do you want to watch the mobile? No. Once you can watch. Huh? You. You have